Welcome to DK Boljat. I'm glad you're here. I am working on the coast painting that I started a while ago, and I am adding in the green little bits that I see in the picture, in the reference photo. They're on the sand. Something's growing on that sand. And I started it in the previous video. And I will continue adding that in. What my goal is to make it look as realistic as possible. So if I have to later take something out, I will. That's not a problem. Lighten this green up a little bit. It looks too healthy. It might be algae. That's what it is. It might be algae. There we go. I just added a little yellow ochre to it. And then there's parts of it that are out here that are darker too. I'll put some more of that. Just tap them in. Using a little fan brush. This is a 20-0. Typically I'll use a 10-0. Doesn't matter. You could use either. Either one's going to work just fine. But I'm tapping it in. I want to make sure that when I'm tapping it in, I'm not tilting my hand back. If I do, I'm going to have sort of a little shape like so. And I don't want that, so I want to tap it straight. Just go straight across. So my brush is going to be perpendicular to the canvas. I'm getting more green, more sap green. And tap it in over here. We're going to have to add rocks in here later. That'd be good. Little bits of green. There we go. I have the black that is, looks like it's black in this picture. It's got a little bit of Portland gray. Yeah. Portland gray light is mixed into it. I'm going to tap that into here where the ground meets the water. Just tapping it in. I want it to be different colors and different values in different areas. There we go. I'm just going to tap it in. I don't know why they're black rocks, but they're black rocks. And I'm just going to put those rocks back in. They don't have texture, otherwise I would see them through the paint. So I can just add them back in later. And then it turns into a tan sand out here. Getting some of that black. And it's got a little bit of Portland gray mixed into it. There we go. Okay. Let that brush off and get some sand. So sand would be, I'm gonna mix some Portland gray with some yellow ochre. See how that turns out. Maybe a little bit of titanium white. There we go. And I can get some other color sand in here. It's all one color right now. This one's kind of towards the light, in the light area. And it's got little rocks in here too, which I'll have to put in later. Right now I'm just adding in sand here and there. It is out at the coast. And I like having the background this color because it just kind of shows through in places. I'm not gonna change that. At least not right now. Grab some more titanium white in that. Yellow ochre and Portland gray. And this sort of comes out to the edge here. There we go. I've got a little bit of green on my brush because I didn't clean it off. And that's okay. It's gonna be au naturel. Look at it. A little bit more yellow ochre. There we go. up this brush. And is there any other parts of the water I need to change? Probably right there. Yeah, okay. That's good. Is there more green I could do? There it is. And I'm gonna do that. To get the sap green. I didn't clean my brush. I went right into it with the remaining paint on the brush. I can tap in the green, especially where I'm seeing the canvas showing through right here. I'm gonna tap in that green. Put some more back on there. There we go. Load the brush again. I'm so glad you joined me today. Oh, you're welcome anytime I paint. I am enjoying doing YouTube videos a lot, and I love the feedback I get from people that are on here. Yeah, I love hearing from you. The positive, I love the positive comments. Yeah. Here we go. Just gonna tap that in. A little bit more here, I see the canvas showing through. Just keep tweaking it until I get it just right. In here there's lighter rocks and I will put those in. Right now I'm seeing, maybe if I get a little bit of titanium white, that would be good, and I'm getting it on. I've switched up brushes. My brush is now a 20-0 round. I'm gonna get a little bit of titanium white and some of the tan color I've been painting in on the sand. Start putting in a few of the rocks that are back in here. And it's just painting them in. You know, it's not sticking because I need to thin down my paint. I don't have medium, so I can't do that, but I'm gonna get some Portland gray light. I'll skip up to the next thing I can do, which is more rocks. And they're kind of a gray color. They're just out here. I'm loading up with more of this Portland gray. And I'm going to paint right on top of these black rocks and put in the bottom part, or the top part, there we go. So the bottom part's going to stand out more. It's having shadow. I think I can put some up in here too, where the rocks are. And what I need to do, if it's not sticking, I need to thin down the paint with medium, which I don't have with me, so I will go to another area and go ahead and paint those rocks in. I'm so glad you joined me today. Please, if you like this video, please hit like. And if you want to see more painting videos and join me for more painting videos, please subscribe to DK Boljat. I am actively working to monetize my channel, which means I need more watch hours. And I sure appreciate the people that are subscribing and giving me positive comments. Yes, I am enjoying it a lot, immensely. So I'm just putting in little rocks, and I'm gonna color good for today. Clean up the brushes. So I use Daniel Smith walnut oil to clean up my paint brushes, my oil paint brushes, and I will be doing that because it's not. I don't think it's as toxic as paint thinner. I don't use paint thinner in the house. There we go. I just don't breathe it. All right. I'm going to call her good for right now. And yes, thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe. And God bless you, my friend.